If you guys have one of these, then you probably have one of these. Now, what's the difference between these guys other than this protrudes a lot bigger? Well, I don't know if it is bigger or not, but what is the difference between one of these brushes? Like, obviously this brush is gonna help when your dogs or your cats or your animals are shedding, but this one is just a little bit different than this guy, right? We've been using one of these guys for years to comb our dog Pippin, but I just got this because I'm like, hey, every time we're done brushing our dog, we always end up using a fragrance spray or spraying it on it, but I'm like, hey, what if we could get lazy and do a 2-in-1? Plus, also, this provides a misting solution, and with the misting solution, it helps to make the hair on the back not so staticky, and so it doesn't fly away as you're brushing it. It keeps it on one place. So that's the theory behind it. And I'm like, oh, smell good and functional? Yes, please. So we're gonna test that out and see if that actually works. Now, it is a USB-C, so you do charge it up with a USB-C, and then you just pull this open right there to put the water or the solution in. Now, it does come with a solution already, so water solution, kind of like a conditioner, if you will. They call it a leave-in serum. So you just take this and you just put that in just like that and fill that up. And I think they give you this other one right here, which is just for water because you want to dilute it just a little bit so that it'll last longer. Now you can dilute it as much as you want. There we go. Get that filled up. Just like so. Now the theory here is you just press the power button and the steam will come out. You see that mist that comes out. The dog's not going to notice that, but I'm already smelling it. And it smells good. It smells kind of like clean laundry is what I'm going to tell you it smells like. So if you like your dog to smell like it just came out of the washing machine or the drying machine, that's what this is going to smell like. So let's try out both of these brushes here really quick, see which one my dog prefers, and then I already know which one that I might prefer if this does a good job of leaving him smelling fresh and clean. I'm going to like that versus having to spray. But we're going to see which one he likes the most. All right, so I'm gonna just try his normal brush that he loves and he doesn't care about. And we're gonna see just one pass here, just one pass right there. You can see that's all the hair that got off right there. So that's just gonna compare. Now we're gonna come over here and jump over here and try this brush. Oh, that smells really good, actually. So we got that and that. Just the same amount of passes, probably just a little bit wetter hair, so you can see that's actually clumped a lot more. So he loves it. He loves being brushed all the time. And I love the fact that he's gonna smell good doing it. So I'm pretty confident that both of these brushes right here are gonna work exactly the same way. But one brush is gonna provide that scent, that fragrance. The only con I can see here is if your dog doesn't like these type of brushes, then neither of them will work for you. But if your dog loves these type of brushes and you like that fragrance smell, then this one's gonna be. If you don't like your dog to have any fragrance smell, then you're probably gonna get one of these. But either way, these work great, and you just push this in and you can take the hair just off and you're ready to go again on either one of these brushes. Good boy. Knuckles. Yes, good boy.